Happy Friday, everybody. It's Julie at Quilts Plus. You guys, it has been such a wonderful week spending with you. We have had so much fun having you in our sew-ins, in the Choose Your Project Bag class with Wendy, in the Start Sewing classes, and also just working on your sampler blocks of the month on Monday. And I will tell you what, it's so much fun to spend time together. We have wonderful opportunities for you to be a part of classes that we have, sew-ins, all kinds of good things here at the store. Our March schedule will be coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. It'll be March and April, so stay tuned for that. We also do in-store retreats. You'll want to check that out as well once those come out, and those fill out really, really fast. So don't pause or wait for the in-store retreats. You'll just want to call and sign up and get information after, half the time. But they're a lot of fun. I wanted to share with you, we have another new collection that's in, and this is absolutely stunning. It's from In the Beginning, and it's called Hedgehog Hollow. I'm going to share with you, this is the panel you're going to see right here, and if we zoom into this, you can really see you've got these cute little squirrels, and you've got these cute little chickadees. And of course, you can't have just one hedgehog. We need to have at least two. And if you look here, you can really see a lot of nature because you've also got the butterfly in there. There's different butterflies throughout. And there's even snails and all kinds of wonderful things. This is a great, great panel. You can see that. And I love this rabbit and the fox that's sleeping. It's so sweet. And of course, your hedgehog. So that's hedgehog number 2. And then even on this panel, you're going to see, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is just a neat little part of the border for this. Now, as I mention this, you know us, we don't just get a panel in, right? Well, sometimes we do. We always like to have the coordinates. What we've done with Hedgehog Hollow this time is we've gotten the full collection, and we actually have an entire kit made up for you using these fabrics. So we're going to look at that. This is the pattern right here. It's called Hedgehog Hollow Quilt. And if you see that, you are going to see that each of those animals in that panel is featured throughout this quilt. I'm going to give you a size on that. That is 49 by 65. So it's not enormous. It's perfect even for you. I've already had a couple people here in the store when this came in, and they already bought the kits. Those seem to be going quickly, and I haven't even shown it to you. Now, as we look, we're going to show you all of these fabrics that are included in this kit, and we'll start over here, and I'll try to move those around so you can see them. So you've got a border fabric that's included, and I love the border fabric, and look at this, you've got this little plaid in here. Then, of course, you've got the panel that we showed you. Then look at this. This has the hedgehogs with the toadstools, and of course, berries and butterflies. I'm just loving these. They're so sweet. Look at the rabbit. She's in there in the garden, and I love the vibrancy of this red and then that dark blue that's in there. It really makes it pop. It just, this is exactly where a rabbit's going to be. She's going to be munching on something. So this is awesome. Love this one. Again, this is called Hedgehog Hollow, but there's more than just hedgehogs. Look at your strawberries. Those are beautiful. Now, if you say, Julie, I want to get some yardage of this, we can do that right now. There's going to come a time where we can't, but at this point we can do yardage. This one is lovely. It's got the daisies on it. These are some of my favorite flowers and my mom's as well. This one is beautiful. Again, some of these, you're going to notice that as I turn them, they are a bit directional, which means that in your kit you have plenty of yardage to be able to have just what you need to complete that quilt. Here we go with the toadstools. And you may see a snail or two in there, but again, they've got that vibrant red. I just love this. And we've also got all the animals are on this panel here, or this piece of this fabric right here. So this has your chickadees and your squirrels and your bunnies and your hedgehog and your fox. He's hiding underneath here sleeping. Okay. And then there's a really pretty coordinate that you get along with it, and it's this blue plaid, and this is great for the binding on this quilt. So this quilt kit that we have for you, which is right here, is $89.99. That's your entire quilt top. So it is ready to go. You can grab it. It comes all ready to go. Look how pretty this is. So it's all kitted up. It has all the fabrics that you need. They're all in here, including your border fabric, which again is just delightful because it's really, you can really see it here on, it's just, I'm in love with this. When I saw these, when we ordered them last year, I was so excited. So these are new in our store today, and we know that you're gonna want them. We have limited number. Again, I'm sorry, but when we order it, we do order the entire line. And what happens is, it just so happens people are in here when we are pulling them out, and they say, ooh, I want to get that kit. So the kits are $89.99. That includes your entire quilt top, and they are directional fabric, so there's plenty of fabric there to be able to use it for directional. And then also, we can always help you to put that together if you want help at all. So we are here at 269-383-1790. You can call us. And then we are here Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday, 10 to 3. So give us a call to get your Hedgehog Hollow kit.